Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick video covering this here Klein Tools bag. So far, I'm really absolutely loving this bag, man. Got nothing bad to say about it. I want to quickly just give a quick demonstration and review of what I've got in here real quick. I'm going to start with the front pouch here, the outer front pouch. I love this pouch here because it's got a protective hard case here. Not to mention, it's water resistant. So I got a couple electronics items in here. Little battery charger. It's going to be a battery charger pack there. Some cable for that. A wipe for your screen wipe. In this pocket I keep a Topdon TC003 thermal imager. This is going to be the standalone all-in-one unit. It's got pretty much a micro tablet, Android based, so you can use this thing. You can surf the web with it. You know, hook up other different OTG USB devices. Yeah, it's also got the visible light camera that'll overlay over the thermal image to give it a lot more crisp, clear view of what you're actually looking at. Kind of like what Flue does. I forgot the name of theirs, but yes, it's pretty powerful, pretty capable thermal imager, and I definitely recommend you guys checking it out if you're in the market for one. So in here I keep an assortment of screws, zip screws, things like that. Let's see, we've got a bunch of batteries, traded core removers, wire nuts, battery chargers. This is the Milwaukee red lithium USB batteries there. Around here on this side pocket, so yeah, we got the flip socket here, Sharpie, and some emery cloth here, and a battery backup. Got some electrical tape as well. Yeah, on this side as well, I keep some Allen keys and more electric tape. Let's go ahead and open her up. So this is what I love about this bag here. So look how it just literally just regurgitates all the most important tools here. And it stays just like that. I mean, on this side, we're going to start from the left here. We've got our field piece job link probes. Those just pop right out. I've got them in these little elastic bands. As you can see, I've got the job link probes there. Pop those back in like such. Below that, I've got a valve core remover. Okay. I don't think I've had anything in this pocket, but I keep all the stuff I'm going to use for outdoor on this side. So as you can see, we've got a psychrometer. That's my outdoor psychrometer. Got a couple of other things here. A little selfie stick, brush, a very small flathead, magnet, level, some wire nuts here. A couple of assorted bits. Got the field piece 680 there. Infocon Stratus. I like the way I've set this up because I've got all my essential hand tools here. Got some KNIPEX Cobras. Those are the 10-inch. Got some of these here. Forgot the make of these, but that's Linesman's. KNIPEX scissors. Needle nose. Some diagonal cutters as well. And then a 90. Okay, this is just a digital tape measure. Like I said, the field piece SC680 Infocon Stratus. I'm going to go ahead and turn the bag around real quick. That way you can see what's on the other side. Okay, so now on this side, we've got our Testo small vein anemometer there. We've got a top test gas leak detector. Field piece Manometers, the job link, wireless. 2 field piece psychrometers. It's going to be the ultrasonic leak detector. Got my probes and things like that for the field piece. In here, got it's going to be a bore scope. Thermocouple for surface temperatures for the Fluke. Couple of other things in there, but nothing too special. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to do a quick loadout of this Klein bag. It's a real quick video. Honestly, it's not anything too crazy. So yeah, I will say the thing I love most about these bags is just how all the tools, once you open it up, they just all spread out and just completely accessible. There's no really you're having to rummage through anything and really tight pockets and things like that. It's a very nice, laid out, well thought out design by Klein. And I will say, I'm not gonna lie, I slept on them for a while as well. I've seen these bags for years. I've just never even given them a thought. I'm trying to go much more bag centered with a lot of my stuff, just because just a lot more convenient, just grabbing the bag, having a different bag for different, you know, if I'm going to do heat pump maintenance, I'll have a bag for that. If I'm doing furnace maintenance, I'm going to have a bag for that. This is going to be my strictly diagnostic bag. Pretty much everything I need just to cover diagnostic, I'd say. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little loadout video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if your experience with this Klein bag. If you appreciate this type of content, give us a like and a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe as well, because there's going to be more. I'm going to borrow a friend of mine. He's got the Tech Pack, the blackout. I'm going to go ahead and borrow that, and I'm going to do a quick little swap out how this stuff show how all this stuff fits in that bag compared, and you know, just basically just a like for like, basically a comparison. That way you guys can see which, you know, what might fit best for you. This is definitely going to be my suitable situation. Like I said, once again, let's take out this profile real quick. I'm going to zip it up so you can see. So yeah, and the fact that they got this thing, they designed it to where it can actually stand up like this as well with such a thin profile, it's pretty sweet. I mean, I like this. I love it. I love the way the zippers just come all the way down like such. It's really nice. You can almost open one side and get what you need out of one side without unzipping the whole bag. So it's pretty cool, man. I like it. I like it a whole lot. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.